My name is Shiori Meadows. I'm a proud graduate of ECU's Master of Education program in K-12 school counseling. Currently, I work as a school counselor for second and third graders, specifically at Punahou School, which is an independent school in Honolulu, Hawaii. But I'm at the point in my career now, 7 years in, where I have learned a lot, I've grown a lot, and I'm looking for more ways to expand my own growth as a practitioner and find new creative ways to grow in my ability to support students at school. I think that this programming is really going to help enhance my work with students by just giving me more tools in my toolbox. I think play therapy gives children an opportunity to express themselves, express their world and their worldview and process it in a way that's so universal, especially with the students that I work with. They're typically between the ages of 7 and 10 years old. They're still developing in their ability to process emotions, ability to express emotions, and play comes so naturally to children. We're really speaking their language when we allow them to play and express that way. I think if you are a professional already in the field and you're getting that real-world experience and you're looking into, what other kinds of ways can you enhance your own practice, your own knowledge, your own skills, I would really encourage looking into the programs offered through continued education here. I think, whether you kind of stumbled upon it and it happened to be the perfect opportunity, or you're kind of just looking at what's available, I think it's absolutely worth doing, especially if you're a few years in and you've already put into practice what you originally learned, but you want to enhance your practice. I think that it's a wonderful place to return to or look into for the first time. So I think that if you're finding yourself as a school counselor or any other kind of practitioner, educator, professional, if you are finding yourself, curious about something, wanting to learn more about something, there's opportunities there, and I feel very fortunate that they're available.